Alright, so in this video, we're going to continue our discussion from the last video. We have seen so far camel case, which we have said that the first letter is going to be the lowercase, and that's how it's going. That's the format that you guys need to write. The second one we have seen is a snake case, where you're going to see here the underscores followed by all of them is going to be lowercase. Say when you write your methods, you're going to put all the snake case. Alright, so the next one that we're going to see is going to be the Pascal case. So the first one's letter is going to be the uppercase, then we're going to be the Pascal, and then we put it here case. So you can assign whatever you guys like. We're going to put this is Pascal case. Alright, so now we're going to see here that's a difference. The first letter of the camel case is going to be the lowercase, and then followed by all the uppercase. There's a slightly difference between the Pascal case and the camel case. With the C++, you guys going to see the camel case all the time. Say with the snake case, all of the letters going to be the lowercase, followed by the underscore. So with the C#, because we're gonna go towards the Unity games, because with the C# you guys can create cool games. All of them are going to be the uppercase. So whatever you guys going to put, classes, methods, whatever you guys going to put. Say for example, if you look in here, say we put our public class program. Our program is going to be the uppercase. If you look in here, the main is going to be the uppercase. So you're going to keep looking here, the console dot write line. All of them is going to be the uppercase. So if you look in here, the console is going to be uppercase. All of them is going to be like the Pascal case. Pascal case, normally it was invented by the Microsoft. So and the Microsoft wishes everyone to follow them, but all the other languages they are not including, except the class. Say for example with the C++ or with the PHP or Java, you guys can put the name of the class uppercase, but the rest you guys gonna put the methods, our functions, you're gonna be is all lowercase. So but this is C# specific. Everything is going to be the Pascal case, especially when you guys, if you guys intending to learn Unity, you guys keep in mind that everything is going to be the Pascal case. There is another case that you guys need to learn. Is going to be kebab case. So we're going to put it kebab, and then we're going to put a case. So if you look in here, that's the kebab case is that you guys gonna see in every now and then in different languages, but instead of putting the underscore, you're gonna put it the upper you guys can put it just a dash here. So you guys can put it like this. This is kebab case. So for the sake of completeness, I thought I'm going to show you all the cases in programming, but you guys going to see this one, the Pascal case, all the time. With the C++, Java, and the other languages, you guys going to see the snake case, and you guys going to see the camel case all the time. But with the C#, because we are learning C#, you guys going to see the Pascal case. But I thought better show you guys this is the kebab case, just in case if you guys don't know, if you guys come and encounter this one, this is kebab case. So this is about casing, and now we're gonna move towards the keyboards. And C# you guys needs to know that a lot of keywords that you guys cannot use. Say all of them's I'm here at learn.microsoft, and you guys gonna see here, this is the website that is Microsoft, which has all the documentation of the C#. So you guys see here that all of these keywords, say for example abstract, you guys cannot use it as a class, or you guys can use as your function, or method, base, bool, which is boolean, break, byte, case, cache, car, checked, class, const, all the way to enum. All of them is event, if, in, int, and you're going to see here long, namespace, and here size of short, and you're going to see here static, and all the way to the while. So all in all these keywords that you guys cannot use. So why we cannot use all of this? Because all of them represent something in C++. Say for example, bool is for boolean yes or no. So if you guys gonna put a bool just for your class, then the C++ or for your methods or your functions, then the C# is gonna get confused. Any other program is gonna get confused. All in all of them, you guys cannot use any of this. For example, in your program. So okay, just this, if you guys want to read this one, you guys can read this one. If you guys want to, all of them means something inside the C++. Say float means something is for loop. If for each loop is cause conditional statements, that's int, in, you guys cannot use any of this because all of them are big functions in C++ which drives your applications. So you stay away from using all of this. If you guys want to read this, you guys can read this, but you guys cannot use anything. Say for example, this one is struct. Struct is like a classes. You guys cannot use this one. You guys cannot use the word class. For example, if you look in here, that's a class. If you guys cannot put use the word console, for example, you guys cannot use any of this. You guys cannot use a string. So you guys can put any after that you guys can put anything XYZ ABC. You can put your name, your mate's name, your family name, whatever name, your pet name, whatever name you guys like. You guys can put it as your function name or class name, and make sure your class represents the real world. Say for example, if you guys making Unity, for example, about Batman, make sure you put public class Batman. If you guys making class for example for Spider-Man, you guys gonna put a public class Spider-Man. That's how you guys gonna go up. So the name of the class represents something, because looking here, whatever you guys looking here, it doesn't represent anything. There's not a you can't put the name of the class null, because null means nothing. You can't put the name of class out. You can't put it for or the name of your methods or anything else. You guys can put this one. All right, so now you guys gonna look here. This is contextual keyboards. A contextual keyboard is used to provide a specific meaning in the code, but isn't reserved word. So for example, that's it means something, but it's not like this one's reserved word. Say all of them say flex, for example, select, on, or lean in it. It all means something, but it's not like the top ones, because the top ones are reserved words. So he says that the first table in this article lists keywords that are reserved identification in the part of a C++ program. So you guys can stay away for this one. That's a no-no from the C++. In fact, that's a no-no from any other language. You don't have to learn, not including C++, but all the other languages, including Java, PHP, Ruby on Rails, any other programming language. You guys stay away from using any of these keywords, because they all reserve keywords in every programming language, not just a C#. So this is a contextual keyword. As I said, contextual keyword is used to provide a specific meaning in the code, but it isn't a reserved word in C#. Some contextual keywords such as partial or where have a special meaning in two more contexts. So for example, add or get, and you guys going to see alias, args, they all not a reserved word, but it means a lot in C#. Say for example, var, it stands for variable, so it's gonna put a join in it. They all means a lot in C#. So this is called the top one's called reserved words or keywords. You're gonna see keywords, C# keywords. This is a reserved word, and this is a contextual keywords. So they are means, yeah, and it's highly recommended that you guys stay away from any of this, because even though they all represent something, for example, you guys don't put your class name, or you guys can't put your method name, any of them. Okay, you guys can use this one. All right, so I'm gonna wrap up. We have learned today, I have completed the camel case. In the previous video we have seen a camel case and snake case. The first words of this one, if you guys pay attention, is going to be lowercase, and follow with going to be like a camel hump. And here, if you guys looking here, the snake case, it has underscore. You guys can change it together. And here in C#, that's what I said is C#, because C# we use the Pascal case all the time, and that's a different so you guys gonna put it, say instead of program, if you guys want to put for example a first program, you guys can put all the cases uppercase. Say now if you guys gonna put first, you guys gonna put program, for example. That's what that's example of the Pascal case. You guys can put for example my new program, for example. This is the example, another example of the Pascal case. So the first letter is going to be uppercase, and followed by every character is going to be uppercase. But in the camel case, the first character is going to be the lowercase, followed by every character is going to be the uppercase. In the kebab case, if you go looking here now, this looks like a kebab. So because here there is something that joins all of them together. It's not an underscore, but it's upper score. So if you guys look in here, it's upper, all of them is going to be upper. But in the case of the snake case, it's going to be, say for example, this is snake case in C#. That's how you guys going to put it here. But in case of kebab case, you guys gonna put it totally different. You guys gonna put it like this is kebab case. So kebab case you guys hardly use it in programming. This is just for the sake of completeness. I thought I'm going to show you guys about kebab case, just in case if you guys look in here. But in the generally in programming, we use the camel case, snake case, and Pascal case. We don't use this one instead. You guys can put the name of your files like this, but we rarely use this one. But these ones are the top ones, are the ones that we mainly use. Alright, so and then I'm going to repeat again for your reserve keywords. These are reserve keywords in C#, because you guys can stay away from use any of these keywords. And this is the contextual keywords that it's not a reserve word, but it means something in C#. So you stay away from these ones.